Do you want to be a stronger writer? Do you want to make better sentences so that your essays can be higher level? You can. You can make a much better sentence. Today, I'm going to be talking about gerunds. This is part 1 of a 3-part series on gerunds and infinitives. Hi, I'm Jerry. I'm with Global Connection ESL. I am here to help you improve your English language skills and get that high improvement in language that you're looking for. Today, as we start part 1 of this series, we're going to talk about gerunds. So let's get started. Before we talk about how to use gerunds, what exactly is a gerund? A gerund is a special grammar function where a verb takes ing and functions as a noun. This gerund can be used in the sentence as a subject, it can be used as the object of a verb, and it can be used as the object of a preposition. Often gerunds are in phrases. We have a gerund plus a noun or a gerund plus a noun phrase. Here are some examples. Finding a job. Finding is the gerund. A job is the noun. Learning English. Learning is the gerund. English is the noun. Playing an Olympic sport. Here we have playing is the gerund. An Olympic sport is a phrase, so together that makes a gerund phrase. And the last example, visiting company websites. Visiting is the gerund. Company websites is the phrase, so together they make a gerund phrase. So if a gerund functions in the sentence as a noun, then it can be the subject for some sentences, like these examples. Finding a good job takes time. Finding a good job is the subject of the sentence. Writing a resume isn't easy. So in this sentence, writing a resume is a gerund phrase, and it is used as the subject of the sentence. Playing an Olympic sport is exciting. Here in this sentence, playing an Olympic sport is the gerund phrase. It's being used as the subject of the sentence. Not having a job is frustrating. Here we have the phrase not having a job that is being used as the subject of the sentence. Now you should pay attention to this because a gerund subject only takes the singular verb. So in these 4 examples, takes, is, and is are all singular verbs. You'll also notice in the 4th example, not having a job is frustrating, we have a negative. Not plus the gerund makes the meaning negative. Since gerunds are used as nouns, they can also be used as the object of the verb. Here are some examples. Have you considered going to a job counselor? Going to a job counselor is a gerund phrase, and it is the object of the verb have considered. The second example, you can discuss improving your skills. Improving your skills is the object of the verb discuss. You should practice answering interview questions. Answering interview questions is a gerund phrase. It's being used as the object of the verb. And then the last example, don't put off writing your essay. Writing your essay is a gerund phrase, and it is used as the object of the verb put off. You will often see cases where go is used together with a gerund. I go fishing in the summer. I go bowling once a month. I like to go shopping with my friends. In this case, you want to be sure not to use to. Many times I see mistakes of students who write, I go to fishing. I go to bowling. This is a mistake. So don't use to before the gerund in this case. And lastly, when the gerund or gerund phrase is used as an object of the preposition, that also means it's being used as a noun. Look at these examples. My sister dreams about becoming a doctor. Becoming a doctor is the gerund phrase. The preposition is about. I look forward to getting a job. Look forward to is a phrasal verb, but here we have to being used as a preposition for the gerund phrase getting a job. Third example says, my father succeeded in opening a business. In is the preposition. Opening a business is the gerund phrase that is being used as the object of the preposition in. 3 more examples. You'll see, I'm afraid of losing my job. Can you identify the preposition? What is the gerund phrase? I'm not very good at writing a resume. In this example, what is the preposition? And what is the gerund phrase? In the last example, are you interested in getting a better job? Can you see the preposition? What is the gerund phrase? Do you see now how understanding gerunds can improve your reading skills and make you a better writer? I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for the next video when I will talk more about infinitives. Part 2 is coming next week. If you find this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.